In the comfort of suburban living rooms across North America lives a fascinating creature known as the Labrador Retriever. Despite its powerful build and athletic capabilities, this particular species spends nearly 73% of its day asleep in soft blankets, oversized beds, or directly across the exact spot its human was about to sit in. When awake, the Labrador begins its daily search for food. While technically capable of independent survival, this creature has developed a highly advanced hunting strategy known as begging. The Labrador is also deeply committed to energy conservation. Scientists have observed this species laying motionless in direct sunlight for extended periods of time, often appearing fully solar-powered. Once recharged, the creature enters a temporary burst of chaos, commonly referred to as zoomies. The Labrador remains one of the most loyal and affectionate